You decided to go out for a walk on a hot summer day when you hear advice on the TV recommending wearing white instead of other colors because it absorbs less heat. This raises the question, why do colors absorb heat? First, we need to define colors. Colors are wave gradients of light, each with a different wavelength. Since light travels in waves, the absorption of heat varies with the wavelength of each color. For example, white is the color that absorbs the least heat, whereas black is the opposite. Additionally, the darkness of a color follows the same principle. The darker the color, the more heat it absorbs due to its longer wavelength. Returning to our question, it's essential to clarify that all objects absorb light to some degree. When light particles move, heat is generated. This means that the more absorption there is, the more heat is produced, especially from infrared rays. To better understand absorption, we must explore the characteristics of white and black colors and how they form. All colors originate from three primary colors: red, blue, and green. The varying proportions of these colors create different shades, allowing us to produce various colors through different levels of mixing. As for white and black, their uniqueness lies in the proportions of the primary colors. White has equal amounts of all three primary colors, 255 red, 255 green, and 255 blue. Conversely, black also has equal amounts of the primary colors, but in the opposite way, 0 red, 0 green, and 0 blue. It's worth noting that true black doesn't exist in nature, as reaching absolute zero is impossible, meaning there would be no light absorption at all. Additionally, while color is an important factor to consider in hot weather, we shouldn't forget other factors like fabric type, thickness, size, and other specifications. So, we've reached our answer. For added fun, here's a simple question. What's the best color to wear on a winter day? Is it white, light blue, dark red, or black? Black, correct. Just as you should avoid high absorption colors in hot weather, you should avoid low absorption colors in cold weather. Now, as you get dressed for your adventure, you know the best color to accompany you. Do you have another question in mind? Share it with us in the comments, and subscribe to the channel to support our content. Until we meet again, we wish you a life full of color.